Hello everyone, this is Singh, broker, owner of Supermax Realty, 647-961-2639. Welcome to my another video on Real Estate Edge with Jimmy Singh. So friends, today I'd like to discuss what are the 5 critical things or questions you need to ask before investing in real estate market in London, Toronto, Golden Horseshoe. So first question you need to ask yourself is, are you an active or a passive investor? You have to evaluate your strengths. You have to evaluate, would you be able to manage your own property? Are you a hands-on kind of a landlord? Or you are more into passive investing where you are relying on the expertise of others to choose the right property. Or maybe you said, I want to put my money in a pre-construction condo so it can close in 4 years and I don't have to deal with tenants. Or you think, the interest is pretty low, I rather buy something good now in 2021 and then let the tenant pay off the mortgage. So that is a very, very important question that need to know. And then you also have to discuss with your professional realtor the trends in the marketplace. Real estate is very local market, so you have to see if you're looking to invest out of Greater Toronto area or downtown Toronto area, what is popular among first-time buyer, what is in great demand. Are condos the future, or the detached makes sense? Can you cash flow with 20% down, or you need to put 35% down to make any sense? That is the first question. Second thing you have to consider is, what is your time frame to realize your profits? Are you in your early 20s, late 20s or 30s looking to build your retirement nest egg? Or are you a baby boomer looking for additional income during your retirement years? Because in general, flippers, speculators, or people who develop real estate lands, they hold property for a very short time and they just want a quick flip for a maximum return on their money. However, those who are looking to build equity and they want the property to appreciate and let the tenant pay down their mortgages should understand the true wealth is created by long-term holding assets. So when you buy the property, if you want to build generational wealth, that is a consideration you have to give. Of course, you have to look at the cash flow, liquidity, how easy is it to sell this property even if the market goes down. So that is the second consideration you have to give before you invest in Canadian real estate. Third thing you have to consider is, what are the tax consequences or potential tax benefits? When I flip the property for a profit, would CRA or the tax agency consider my gains as capital gains, or is it considered 100% income? If you're assigning a house or a condo unit, you have to discuss with your lawyer or accountant to make sure you understand what are your tax obligations. And certainly there's a lot of tax benefits you get when you buy a second house or investment properties. Example, you can write off your interest for the mortgage payments, and there are certain other deductions which you can do against your personal income. So talk to your knowledgeable accountant or lawyer for more information. Fourth thing you have to consider is, how you can secure the financing. Because if you're buying a second property in Canada, in Greater Toronto area, Golden Horseshoe, Hamilton, London, Niagara Falls, Barrie, typically banks need 20% down for your investment property. And some people say, I don't have 20% down. So I asked them a simple question, do you own property? And then, sometimes they say, yes, I own a house for last 15 years and my house has gone up substantially in value. So that is probably a dormant money sitting in there, doing not much to create your wealth. So you can even talk to your banker regarding getting a line of credit, so you can use that line of credit to pay 20% towards your investment property, or you can secure refinance your house at today's low interest rates. So those are certain things you have to talk to your mortgage broker. If you are starting your journey and don't know what to do, just simply give me a call. I'll be more than happy to share my contacts so you can talk those mortgage brokers or bankers to secure the financing. And my number is 647-961-2639. Because most of the investors I work with, they do tap into the equity of the property to put a down payment. Otherwise, you just have to save 20% down and then you can invest. Fifth thing you have to understand is everybody starts to look at the rental property close to their own home area or hometown or city. But once they start crunching numbers, sometimes they feel it doesn't make any sense to buy in that expensive area. And then you have to be open-minded to consider investing outside your town. And personally, I've been investing all over Southern Ontario for last 20 years. I have clients who buy in Niagara Falls. I have clients who invest in London, Windsor, Ottawa. So all those places I have helped my client invest in real estate. So always be open-minded, because when you go out of your comfort level or those upcoming markets, that may lead to better returns. So if you want to learn more about real estate investing in Greater Toronto Area, Golden Horseshoe, South Western Ontario, contact our knowledgeable Supermax Realty team. You can reach me directly at 647-961-2639, or you can go to my website supermaxrealty.ca, leave a message, I'll revert back. To your success, God bless.